video tutorial here today on how to use these Android boxes that I sell. Sorry, I'm having a little bit of trouble getting it in the frame there, but as you'll know when you buy them from me, that I give you the tour here at my house and demonstrate how they're used. But sometimes if you haven't used them for a little while or whatnot, you might have some questions. Also, there can be a lot to take in when you're first learning how to use these things. So we'll let the box boot up here, and hopefully it doesn't have to run any kind of an update. Okay, good. Oh man. Okay, I hit the home button to stop the update. A lot of times you guys are going to have to run the update when you get it at home. Okay, we're going to start with settings. Go into settings. I do not recommend you touch any of these settings on this screen. Okay? If you do, you're kind of on your own. Go to the second row, all the way over here to the right. More settings. This first one is where you go for your Wi-Fi. Mine is currently set up there at the top. That one is called Black Hat, where it's connected. I'm going to back arrow out. And I'm going to show you that if you need to set your time and date, it's right here. I've already selected this one to the Central Daylight Time Zone. I turned the 24-hour format off. Of course, you can turn it back on if that's what you like. I keep it here to automatically set the time and date based on your network. Okay, not a big deal. Trying to think off the top of my head if there's anything else in this area that you really need to know about. If there is another setting that has to be changed, it's going to be in this area though. Something I want to point out while I'm here. On this remote, this button right here, lower left corner of the blue ring, it'll give you a mouse cursor. You should be able to see that right there to the left side of the blue box. Believe me, there are going to be times when you're going to wish you knew about that thing. It is a lifesaver, especially like when you type in a password for your Wi-Fi and then it says go down to the bottom to click on connect. Yeah, it's a time saver. Okay. Hang on a second. Let me get that. Now I got that cursor up there on the screen, which means that now my directional pad is basically disabled except for to move my cursor. The problem was I was pointing the controller kind of up in this direction. It's not Bluetooth, so you have to point it at the box for them to be able to see each other and communicate. Okay, now you have two choices here. To get into Kodi, you can either go to the icon right there that looks like a white letter K, or right here on the remote is the word Kodi. They both do the very same thing. They take you into Kodi. And here is, now you're inside of Kodi and everything that goes with it. And I'll explain, I have this all set up and explained and everything in another video, so I'm not going to get into it here. Oops. Let's go back out here. This bar across the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those few icons there at the bottom, that's just a shortcut row. You can add more by going here to the plus sign. In case there's something in here you think you're going to be using a lot, like Gmail or Facebook or something like that, you can add it to that row. Something that I don't think anybody's going to use or that they really shouldn't be messing with is this Kodi Center. It's different than Kodi. So I'm going to uncheck that, and it'll take it out of the bottom bar here in just a second. Let's go ahead and put Facebook on there. What the heck? So now, when I hit the back arrow again, you're going to see the bottom row change. It's going to take Kodi Center off, and it's going to add Facebook. just like that. A lot of people that use Android will enjoy the Google Play Store right there. So also, if it either stops doing what it's supposed to do, or I haven't set your weather at the top correctly. Oh, you guys can't see that. Hold on a minute. Camera's going to get noisy for a minute. I apologize. See right there at the top, it's scrolling. Excuse me, it's scrolling. The icon on the far left-hand side is to let you know that you're on Wi-Fi. And then you have, this is set for Valparaiso, Indiana. And it's got weather statistics or whatever conditions right there in the middle. Then of course your clock and your date. Yeah, you guys should be able to see all that. So I'm trying to think. You can hear me stammering over my words, but that's really the general basics of the box. You can go over here and clean the memory. I haven't done this one yet. I just got it set up. But when I clean the memory, it should drop from 74.1 down into the mid or upper 50s. Yeah, that's about right. I'm not quite sure what that does, but obviously it cleans up some memory for you. All right. So the only thing I got left to do now is shut the box off and end this video. And I hope it helped some people out there. And if it did, you know, I'm always posting different stuff, mostly on this topic, electronics and Kodi and Android boxes and all that kind of stuff. Subscribe to my channel. That way, if I post another video, you'll get notification that, hey, he's put up another video. And if this video has helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It helps everybody out. When the more thumbs up you get, it makes it more popular on YouTube, and other places will refer to this one. And okay, so that's enough of that business. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you.